Rice is Nice by Nancy Noel Williams. People all over the world love to eat rice. Why? Because rice is good to eat. It gives people energy. Rice is the most important food for more than half of the people in the world. Many babies, children, and grown-ups eat rice every day. Some people eat rice with chopsticks. Others eat rice with a fork or a spoon. Rice is grown in two different ways. Lowland rice is grown in flooded fields. The water comes from rain or rivers. Some rice farmers depend on rainfall to grow upland rice. They may grow rice in terraces like these. Rice grains come in three sizes. There's medium grain rice, long grain rice, and short grain rice. Short grain rice is often sticky. Medium grain rice is often fluffy. So is long grain rice. Rice comes in different colors too. Do you like brown rice or white rice? Rice can even be red or black. Many foods are made from rice. Rice milk and rice tea are good to drink. Rice noodles are made from rice flour. Rice cakes are good with jam on top. Did you know that rice can also be used to make things we do not eat? Rice paper was used to make these colorful umbrellas. Paper made from rice straw is used in art or for beautiful lanterns. Now let's go into the kitchen and learn how to cook rice. Begin by washing your rice. Combine the rice with water. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. 1 cup of raw rice plus 2 cups of water equals 3 cups of cooked rice. Put rice and water in a pot. Boil the rice on the stove, or you can use a special rice cooker. Turn down the heat and cover the pot. When the rice has soaked up the water, it is ready to eat. You can add toppings and sauce. Your rice can be sweet and sour, tangy, or spicy. You can have rice for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's always delicious. Have you had your rice today? And these are some rice dishes from around the world. We had fried rice from China, biryani from India, chicken risotto from Italy, sushi from Japan, meat plow from Russia, pilaf from Lebanon, paella from Spain, jok with fish ball from Thailand, and red beans and rice from the United States. Lots of different ways that they can use rice. Now my question for you today is, have you tried rice before? What did it taste like? What's your favorite way to eat rice? I can't wait to hear.